Hi guys, this is me, JP Rose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? Well, this week's recipe is really exciting because I just made it up. So here's the thing. I want my children to eat more Caribbean food because that's where I come from. But kids being kids, when they were younger, they ate everything. But as time went by, they were like, oh mummy, what's that? And things just dropped off the menu. And I want them to eat Caribbean food, so when we go to the Caribbean and Africa, they don't embarrass me and go, mummy, nah, and shame me. So what I thought I'd do is combine what I know they like with the Caribbean food. So I have made a dish called green banana crust. And then I made a creamy garlic sauce to go with it. The garlic sauce is a bit of a stretch for them, but it was delicious. I also had my nephew staying with me and he tried it, and somehow it kind of influenced my little ones as well, which is brilliant. Watch to the very end and you see the response to my dish. As I said, it's made out of green banana, and then because I know they like pastry, I just wrapped it in pastry, and because they like crunching on the pastry, they then ate the green banana and it worked. Now before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe, and this is how I made it. Okay, for my simple garlic cream saucepan, you need 100 ml of plant milk, whatever plant milk you like. This is almond milk, but soya milk is good. And guess what guys, we're nearly there already. We are nearly there. They're bubbling away. Simple things. This is such a simple recipe. A teaspoon, be generous, of garlic powder. Is dripping a teaspoon of lemon. Now this is what's going to make it thick and a bit curdly, but you're going to mix it with the thing. Then I've got some Himalayan sea salt, and then a little bit of black pepper, and then you just gently keep that on the fire and then mix it. Now I need a posh whisk. I'm going to get one. Posh whisk. And the lemon will make it curdly. You can smell the lovely garlic. There you go. And eventually guys, that's going to go very creamy, and that is going to be our lovely cream sauce. We've got my lovely green banana crust. I could call it green banana bake, but I think I could stick with crust. Let me show you. That's so lovely. Can you see it's all creamy? And that is the dip that's gonna go. I'm gonna go with my green banana crust. Let me show you. So this is my nephew Michael, and he is going to try my new invention, which is banana. Don't know what to call it yet actually. When you eat it, tell me what you put in. I put sauce around it, and it's green banana in a pastry, but I did a sauce. You know what's in the sauce? What's in the sauce is tahini, garlic.
This is good.
Yeah, is it good? Oh look, he's going in for the second one. Oi, 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 oi. Really good, yeah? Okay, I'm very proud, I'm very pleased, yeah? He's trying my invention. You see, when I have visitors, then I can try new things. Oh.
No, it's really good.
Really good.
I'm pleasantly surprised.
Oh, good, lovely. Can you do that to camera? So I can taste the sauce.
The vinegar.
The vinegar, but it's not vinegar in it, you know? Yeah, oh yeah, it's from the salad, that's what you're tasting. It's tahini, I can taste the garlic.
Pastry is good as well.
The pastry's good. Really nice. Right, so what we call it isn't got a name yet. It's green banana wrapped in
Plantain pie.
plantain pie. No, green banana.
Oh, sorry, green banana pie.
Green banana pie. That's the name now. Green banana pie. My nephew's named it. So my nephew, he likes it. You see, wonderful. My little experiment has worked out. We have chickpea and lentil curry with vegetables. And Niall is getting into it. It's looking real cool. Kyan, as usual, is having his all separate and separate. Well, so he's got his rice, he's got his vegetables. Kyan, could you try this? Green banana. It's green banana, all right? So I've done it into small pieces so you can try it.
Well,
yeah?
I'm a bit scared.
Now you're gonna try it?
Really good.
I've already tried
it. He's just tried it. See?
Let me have another. It's good.
I'd say
Chickpea cut. What do you say, Naya?
Really good.
Oh, brilliant.
Real meat.
So now my nephew, after eating that lovely vegan meal, this is what he's come. What is that, nephew?
It's just a burger,
Burger.
but it's meat.
Meat.
Hey, he's not. He
Sustenance.
didn't even eat any broccoli.
He didn't even eat broccoli, did he? Oh, but,
Yes.
no,
I
but
had two
look,
pieces.
check. He does have
Yeah.
avocado.
It's because he's in a meat world where he can like eat any meat.
Yeah, he's in the meat world.
Like he can like
healthy as he wants.
He's 21. He can do what he likes. So guys, lockdown is over. It's a Thursday evening. This time last week, my son was 12. We would have normally gone to a restaurant like Wagamama's and celebrated. So I promised that we would do this. We are doing this. Now we're having dinner. And Kyan is eating his very, very favourite food. This is me, vegan pad thai. Oh, fingers. This is one of our favourite dishes at Wagamama's, isn't it, Kai Kai? What is it?
mushroom bun thing.
Mushroom bun thing. Naya's favourite. He loves the curry sauce. Birthday boy is eating his noodles. Is it nice, Kai? And Naya, your rice is nearly finished. Is it nice?
Yeah.
And I'm nearly done. Delicious. My pad thai is very nice. I normally go for a rice dish, but rice really makes me woo. So I'm doing a nice noodly, vegetable-y. Thank you, Anaya. Wonderful. Well, I'm so excited to be out. I haven't been out for months and months. Our dinner is over. It is time to go home. It is anyway because we're starting to get little arguments with each other. So time to go before I'm embarrassed by my children. I said it's time I leave before you guys embarrass me because you're arguing. So guys, I hope you like this episode. I hope you like my recipe. And if this is the first time you've seen me, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget I've got my ebook coming. I'll be updating my website. There'll be new music coming out in January. And and of course, I'm going to be doing some Christmas recipes for you over the Christmas period for healthy vegan options. I'm your girl. Have a brilliant week. See you next time.